what's up? And today I'm not here with a vlog, but I am here to show you something very exciting that I recently received from BOOMBA Insert. I know many of the women out there, including me, always have trouble finding the perfect bra for the perfect dress or the bikini or shirts and tops. But let me tell you something, I found something so amazing that it's gonna perfectly fit in all these categories, and you're gonna be amazed by how perfectly it fits. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so here I have received two boxes. This is the magic nipple covers. Let me quickly open and show it to you. This is how it looks, magic nipple covers. And then the other one, look at that. This is the Ultra Boost insert, and it has a super cute packaging. I love this blue color. It says, "Shh, this will be our little secret." So let's open that. Oh, look at that, they look so nice. And it also has a padding that is gonna give you the extra support over here, and same with the other one. Alright, so you guys saw how the cute packaging was. Now let's get into details with all this stuff. Let's get started with the Ultra Boost inserts. So basically we all have problems of loose neck or the inserts slipping off, especially when you're sweating, or wearing heavy inserts, because nobody wants to do that. Well, guess what? These inserts will provide you boost up to 2 cup sizes and also give you a perfect lift for that perfect cleavage, making them perfect for any occasions, any attire, like bikini, sports bra, lingerie, dresses, t-shirt, anything literally. I also love them because they are 100% sweat proof and water resistant, so it makes it perfect to wear under your bikini, so you can go to the beach, or if you're working out, they're perfect. The best thing I like about these inserts are there is no sewing required in this. All you have to do is stick it to your boobs, and the outside part sticks to your clothing, and you're ready to go. So even if you bend, you run, do whatever you want, they are not coming off. So let's try them on and see the difference. It was very easy to put it on. I stick it with my dress here, which gives me a perfect lift, as you can see. I love it. It's very comfortable, and I don't feel like there is something very heavy inside inserted. So yeah, I love it. Now for the magic nipple covers, I love these because they are seamless and they stick without using adhesive, using the heat technology, your body heat technology, and they give a full coverage. And another great thing that I love about these are that they are washable. You can wash them with mild soap and water, and they are ready to use again. Final verdict on these two are that they are amazing. They are by far the amazing inserts I have ever used, and trust me, I have used so many for my dresses and t-shirts, but they are the best. They give you the perfect boost, the perfect lift, and also it boosts your confidence when you have a good, you know what. So I'm sure you like them. Give them a try and check the description box below for the discount code, and let me know in the comment section below how you like it. I hope this video will solve many problems for many women out there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.